Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on features and promotional announcements in the FlightAware flight tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button, and at the notification section click on the features and promotional announcements button, and if you want to turn this on, just click on the on button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.